Here we have a 71 plate BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked with the M Sport brake calipers in red. We do have the blue metallic exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, we have the full M Performance kit including the gloss black front splitter. There's a look at the front end. This vehicle also comes with the comfort package. Round to the passenger side you find the second alloy wheel, again unmarked, just down there. And taking a step back you find the side skirts along the bottom, colour coded door handles, black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We have the shark fin antennae up top along with the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate, which is power operated. We have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display and a reversing camera as well. And round to the rear you find the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser, M340i badging on the tailgate. And making our way round to the driver's side again, you'll find that this vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So take a look now at the interior. If you have a look at the back, you find the full black leather interior, foldable armrests and the fixed ISO points. We have the M Sport style seat belts, climate control for the rear passengers, ambient lighting on the doors and also the electric windows. Again at the front we have the same full black leather interior. Both front seats are heated. We have the electric mirrors, electric windows, automatic lights and again with the ambient lighting. We do also have the multifunctional steering wheel, paddle shifters either side, digital dash in front of us, put our foot on the brake, press the start button and the vehicle will start up for us. As you can see we are free from any warning lights other than letting us know about the low fuel. We do have the heated steering wheel, so press this button just here and it will activate, as you can see just there on the dashboard. We've got the speed limiter and the cruise control. We also have the high beam assist on that stalk. We've got the main screen in the centre. If we go onto the settings, you find the interior ambient lighting just here, as you can see. We do also have the sat-nav navigation. We have a range of media such as the radio stations. We have the Spotify and the Bluetooth audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls, and we do also have all these apps which are currently installed along with the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. Intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive, and we do also have the reversing camera if we put it into reverse. Further down you'll find the heated seat buttons either side, ice cold air conditioning with the climate control as well, all working as they should do, with the automatic gearbox with the different drive modes just here, auto hold button and the electric handbrake, nice leather armrests in the centre. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW M340i XDRIVE. Now the purpose of this video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm now having to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side, but staying straight and true. Now we do have the multifunction steering wheel, which has the speed limiter and the cruise control buttons on the left hand side, volume buttons on the right, paddle shifters on either side if you want to set the car into manual mode, tap while the paddles and it will change gear. The steering wheel is also heated with this button just here. Press that button and it will turn on. Perfect for them cold winter mornings. We also have the dashboard just here in front of us, which can show different displays that you would have seen on the photos. Now if you do listen carefully throughout this video test drive, you'll also notice we'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We have the full leather interior throughout this vehicle, which is very comfortable. You can easily do 2, 3 or even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. Both the front seats are also heated, again perfect for them cold winter mornings. And we do have the main screen just here in the centre, currently showing the sat-nav. Also got plenty of features on there, again you would have seen them on the photos. For example, the DAB radio, Bluetooth phone connectivity. We also have plenty more features, for example the ambient lighting, really does look nice especially at night time. We have the climate control just down here with the ice cold air conditioning. We do also have the automatic gearbox as well with all the different drive modes. Now in a moment we're about to take a right hand turn, so if we put our right indicator on, start to slow down and wait for the traffic to pass before making the right hand turn. So wait for this car to pass and then we make the right hand turn now onto the industrial park, and I'll perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hard onto the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the reversing camera up here on the screen. Back into drive with no issues whatsoever. And if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions along with running through some inquiries with you. That's all for me today though. Cheers.